Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when the fastest thing alive meets the sweetest treat on Earth? Well, today, we're about to find out. We're taking Sonic the Hedgehog on an exclusive tour of the world's most amazing ice cream factory. This is going to be epic, so buckle up. Alright, we've just arrived, and Sonic is already buzzing with excitement. Look at this place. It's a paradise of cream and sugar. The air smells like vanilla, chocolate, and pure happiness. First up is the mixing room. See these giant vats? This is where the magic begins. They're pouring in fresh milk, cream, and sugar. Sonic's tapping his foot. He's so ready for the good stuff. He just zipped past the quality control station, gave a thumbs up, and is already heading towards the flavor infusion sector. I don't think they've ever had a visitor this fast. Now this is the part I've been waiting for, the flavor zone. They have everything here, from classic strawberry to wild new combinations like chili chocolate mango. Sonic, being Sonic, immediately points to the most adventurous one. The scientists here are explaining how they use natural fruit purees and extracts to get those perfect flavors. And look! Sonic just borrowed a sample of the blue raspberry mix. He's giving it 2 thumbs up, so it must be good. He's moving so fast, he's creating a whirlwind of delicious smells. I think he's trying to blend them all together. We're now in the freezer tunnel. This is where the liquid mix transforms into the creamy, dreamy ice cream we all love. It's blasted with super cold air to freeze it in seconds. Sonic just ran through the entire tunnel in less than a second. He came out the other side covered in a light frost, looking like a little blue icicle. He just shook it off and is already checking out the next station. He says it's not as cold as Ice Cap Zone, so he's totally fine. His speed is actually helping to circulate the cold air more efficiently. Maybe they should hire him. Okay, this might be the best part yet. The toppings and inclusions room. We're talking rivers of hot fudge, waterfalls of caramel, and mountains of sprinkles, chocolate chips, and cookie dough. It's a candy lover's dream. Sonic is doing what he does best, creating a sonic boom-sized swirl of toppings. He's grabbing handfuls of everything and somehow in a blue blur, creating the perfect cone. He's calling it the Chili Dog Sundae Surprise. I'm not sure I want to know what's in it, but he seems to love it. Well, our tour is coming to an end. Sonic has had his fill of ice cream, probably enough to fuel him for a race across the continent. He's given his official seal of approval to the factory, and they've even named a new flavor after him, Sonic's Super Speed Swirl. It's a mix of blueberry, cherry, and a little bit of chaos, which I think is just a bunch of pop rocks. It's been an incredible and incredibly fast adventure. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments what you think of Sonic's new ice cream flavor. See you next time!